In data cleaning, one more challenge will come, that is nothing but remove the duplicates. Okay, removing the duplicates. You can observe here in a given data set, in selected data set, there may be a one or two duplicate entries. In the sense, duplicate invoice numbers will be there, or in terms of the amount it may be duplicated. Majorly which way it will be duplicated? In terms of the invoice number, right? If it is a duplicated, for example, some entries are entered again and again, in that case we need to clean the data. We need to clean the data in such a way that we'll get to know that in such a way that we need to get a right information. For example, if somewhere everything is same, okay, for example, if I say this particular data, okay, this is the same, these two entries are same, okay. In that particular case, what I would like to do, I would like to delete one of the duplicate entry. If you have so many such entries, so many such duplicate entries, okay, how can we clear that one? How can we clear that one? By using a duplicate remover. How to do that one? First we have to select the data, select the data, then go to here, remove duplicate. Okay, here we have a data, in data tab, in data tools we have a remove duplicates. Remove duplicates in the sense we are going to check is there any duplicates. If so, we will take it off. Remove duplicates. First it is asking, would you like duplicate in terms of what? Only in terms of invoice means what you can do, you unselect everything, you can select only in terms of invoice number. If invoice numbers are duplicated, such entries will be removed. If you select invoice number and supplier name, in the sense same invoice number as well as the supplier names, if it is repeated, then only such entries will be removed. Okay, other things if it is different also, it will not be taking care. Only it will check for a invoice number, is there any duplicate is there in the invoice number column or not. If you selected all, in the sense it should be common each and everywhere. That particular entry should be common, each and every column it should be repeated at that particular time. Such duplicates will be removed, so such duplicate entries will be removed. We have selected all columns. If it is duplicated, then remove such entries. So what we will do, we will select here. Once we selected, then say okay. Now you can see one duplicate value found and removed, 14 unique values remain same. Okay, in the sense, in such a way that we can remove the duplicates in a given data by using a remove duplicates.